Once upon a time, in the colorful town of Whimsyville, lived a curious little bunny named Sparkle. Sparkle loved exploring the enchanted forest that surrounded the town. One day, while hopping through the tall grass, Sparkle discovered a magical door hidden behind a bush. Powered by Dubverse. Sparkle made friends with a wise old owl named Oliver and a playful squirrel named Nutmeg. Together, they embarked on exciting adventures, solving problems with the magic of friendship. They helped a lost butterfly find its way home and planted seeds that grew into a rainbow-colored garden. As the days passed, Sparkle realized that the real magic was not just in Harmony Hollow but in the caring hearts of friends. Each day became a new story, filled with laughter, love, and the joy of discovery. And so, in the heart of Whimsyville, the adventures of Sparkle and friends became legendary, reminding everyone that the most magical journeys are those shared with those you love.